In this video, I'll tell you how to install Group Policy Management Console on Windows 11. Remember, this works on Windows Professional Edition. So for that, first you have to go to the Start menu, from there to the Settings and just click on Apps. From here you have an option that is Optional Features, just click on that. Now you have to click on View Features and then type in Rsat. This is to get the feature. Now select the Group Policy Management tool, just check it and click Install. And then wait for the installation to complete. Then you have to restart your system to make it effect. Now the next method is using the PowerShell as an admin. For that, just right click on the Start menu and here select the Windows terminal as admin. Now just copy and paste the command which I am going to input on this command shell. I have shared it in the description, you can take it from there. This is the command, just click on enter. Now wait till the installation is complete. Now, once the installation is complete, you can restart your PC and use the Group Policy Management Console. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.